Right, so sine negative 75 is the fourth quadrant, so it becomes negative sine 75, okay, because it's negative, so it's in the fourth quadrant. Tan 420 subtract 360, the period is 180, so subtract it twice, so it becomes tan 60. Sine 60, we can leave it like that for now. Let's first see what happens to the other ones. Sine 195 is sine 180 plus 15. And then obviously tan 75, we can leave it like that for now. Let's first see what happens here. This one is going to become sine negative sine 15. Sine 75 can change to cos 15. So we're going to say it's negative cos 15, but we can have the same as there. Then the tan 60, we can change that to sine 60 over cos 60, okay, which might help us. And then we're going to here say negative sine 15. Okay, and then for this one, tan 75, we're going to change it to sine over cos. So that will become sine 75 over cos 75. So we change the tan, sine over cos, change the tan, sine over cos, change the sine 75 to cos 15. Why? Because this one is going to be sine 15. And then you get cos over sine 15. Okay? And then here we can say sine over cos the 60. Okay, so we still have the sine 60 that we have to put in here. So that one, negative sine 15 is for that one, and then the sine 60 we can leave it there. Okay, so now if you take this one up and you swap it around, then you're going to have that one stays the same, this one stays the same, negative cos 15 over 1, that one stays the same, sine 60 over cos 60. This one, when it goes up, swaps around, so it's going to become multiplied by cos 75 over sine 75. Then you take it up, swap it around. These two also, when they go up, they swap around. So the sine 60 will become 1 over sine 60. The negative sine 15 will become negative 1 over sine 15. Okay. So it's quite a lot. But the thing is, now we can see that this sine 60 and this sine 60 cancel out. Okay? Now what we can do now is we can change this cos 15 to sine 75 for co-ratios. And we can change this sine 15 to cos 75. Okay? And then the sine 75 and sine 75 will cancel out. The cos 75 and cos 75 will cancel out. So when we do that, we're going to have negative cos 75 over 1. Here we're going to have cos 75. Okay, let's just put in the 1 over cos 60. Now we can actually change the cos 60 to a half. Okay, cos 60 is from the triangle, cos 60 is a half. And then that one we leave it like that, cos 75 over sine 75. And then this one we leave it like that. And then actually that negative and that negative cancel out. So that one doesn't have to be negative. And then we get 1 over sine 75. We're going to change it to cos 75. Change it to cos 75. Co-ratios again. So now cos 75 cancel out. Sine 75. No, whoa. This one must be sine. We change the cos 15 to sine 75. So this one must be sine. Okay, we'll use the co-ratios there. Okay, so the sine 75 cancel out. And all you have left is 1 over half, because cos 60 is a half. When you take half up, it swaps around, it becomes 2. So then the answer is 2. That was quite a lot.